Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to customize our Basecamp settings, and to do that we're going to go to the Me tab. We're going to go to the next tab over. Now we're going to click your Basecamp settings. Now all of these settings are going to be important because you're going to be interacting with multiple people in multiple time zones. So you are going to want to make sure that your email notifications come someplace where you check your email regularly. You are going to want to make sure that you have an address that you will definitely see on a regular basis. Now, currently, there are no projects that we have available. However, what you can do is you can make it so that you only get notifications for specific projects. So if you have interactions that you rather not see what's happening, or if you have another administrator and they are really overseeing a particular project, you can make it so that you will not get notifications unless you go into the account and decide that you want to get them. Now the email frequency is very important, because if you are interacting on a particular project and you really do need to see when changes are made, you're going to want to have this email sent to you every time there's an item done. Now, when you're doing and you're completing tasks, you are going to see a lot of emails, and when someone creates something, uploads something, or they complete something, you can easily get a number of emails. And sometimes what that means is that important things will get buried because you are focusing on little things that come to you as soon as they happen. So if you know that there are going to be lots of notifications, or you find that there are lots of notifications once you get started, you can change this so that you're only going to get a summary every few hours. Now again, everything depends on the kind of project you work on, the individuals you're working on, but typically you are going to want to have a summary just because of the number and the volume of emails that you'll be getting if you work with a team especially. Now, one of the ways that you can manage this process further is you can have a daily recap sent to you every morning. Now, again, if you're having a summary sent to you every few hours, then this may not be necessary. But if you want to start your day by taking a look at what's been done, and especially if you are working with people from other parts of the world, they're completing their work at night and you need to know what has been completed, you can have a daily recap sent. Now, this option has it so that Basecamp will send you an email if someone completes something that you created. So it's not just when someone completes a task, it's when they complete a task that you have placed here. So again, you'll want to take note of this and then make a decision about how you want to interact with a particular project. And then finally, there are the calendar preferences. If you want your calendar to show Monday as the first day, you can tick this box. And what that does is that means that when you see your calendar, you'll see there that Monday will be in the first column, the weekend or Saturday and Sunday will be in the last two columns, and it just makes a more visual presentation of what needs to be done. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.